Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to flip a video clip in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I added a simple video clip to my timeline that I'd like to flip horizontally. To flip this clip, let's head over to the effects panel and type flip into the search box. Then drag the horizontal flip effect onto your clip on the timeline. As you can see, the clip has now flipped on its horizontal axis, mirroring its original position. If you prefer to flip the clip vertically instead, simply drag the flip vertical effect onto the clip on your timeline instead. Both flip effects can also be combined should you want to flip on both axes. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.